You guys see how well this has been growing? It's like a forest, but we can't see our fish. We can't see what's going on inside the aquarium. So we have to go and take all of this out. Well, at least from here to here, I'm gonna be removing all of this. But I don't want it to go to waste or kill the shrimp. So there's a simple. Wow! Look at all the snails that came off of that. That's crazy. Anywho, we're gonna get started by simply grabbing and swirling. We're grabbing and swirling. We are grabbing and we're swirling. This is just a fake plant. I thought it was a real piece of Anubias at first. Couldn't even see the color. Anywho, you can come off. I'm trying to shake off any shrimp that might possibly be in here. The tank already looks a lot better. We're gonna simply just grab all of this, play with it until, look at the shrimp trying to come back into the java fern. I mean, into the moss. That's crazy. Look at all this. So much. It's crazy. So what we're gonna do is actually put it this huge ball and throw it in here. With the other one that we have here, that's not doing too well actually. We're gonna put some plants in there. And we gotta put some lights. But we're gonna dunk this tank with hydrogen peroxide so we can get rid of any animals that are in there. We still have a good chunk over here, so I also want to remove some so we can grow more. So I'm just gonna simply grab a good chunk, not the whole thing because we do need it to grow back, but see, if I were to remove the whole thing, I bet you it would still grow back just as good and as lush, but I think I am gonna do that. I'm just trying to get rid of any animals in here. I bet you there's so many shrimp in here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'll let it grow back, but kind of want to see if we go through this what we find. So as you can tell, we have a bunch of moss. I just spread it out instead of having it in one huge ball. Wanted to see if I were to find any shrimp. Snails I'm not really too worried about or care too much about because there's so many. Just trying to see if I find any shrimp. Just to show you guys how easy it is to move over shrimp by accident. But I'm not seeing any. But anywho, all of this is going to be going into my this tank. We're gonna dunk this tank with hydrogen peroxide. As you can tell, we have a bunch, and you might be asking, why am I doing this? Because I want to eventually sell this, and I want to start selling clumps, and I want to sell them fairly cheap. Like I'm thinking maybe I sell like little clumps, like not this small, but for example, let's say a 2x2 inch for like $5, bro. Not even, maybe like $3. And this is all grown immersed, no CO2 or anything like that. It's just a lot of fish that make this so healthy. So look how cool this looks. But put it down below what you guys think on how much I should be selling and for how much do you think is a fair amount. But I am going to be nuking this and putting this in another aquarium before I sell it to make sure these stay out. There's no critters or anything like that. This is what I'm thinking about $5. Look, when I clump it up together, maybe you get a little ball. But as I play around with it, let me get away from the other aquarium. While I play with it and spread it out, look at how much you really get. This is still pretty matte and thick. Look at that. Tank still has a good amount, so it will grow more. And it'll grow back pretty fast, but actually when I get it. Not really escaping it or anything like that, but just organizing more than anything. To have enough space to see the fish and the shrimp. Super cool. But yeah, now we have space. We can actually see inside the aquarium too. Have some up there as well. Looks really good actually. Just shrimp in there and fish. Let's zoom in and see if we can spot the shrimp. So guys, I just quickly wanted to mention, I was thinking about selling this moss. It would come snail free after I bleach and put it and test it myself in another aquarium. What do you guys think about that? Let me know. I am finally YouTube monetized, so we're making these videos more consistently as well. I'm going to be trying to get this bank up, get these videos to look better, get new video products and stuff like that. Check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.